And an issue closely watched by global investors, exactly when the U.S. Federal Reserve is going to start tapering its asset purchases, which have been putting huge amounts of liquidity into the markets since the start of the pandemic. The meetings from the Fed's latest session indicate that tapering could start as soon as next month, though officials stress that this does not mean the Fed is going to start raising interest rates. Seong-woo has this report.
The U.S. Federal Reserve System could start slowing down the emergency support it's been providing to the economy as early as mid-November. That's according to detailed records or minutes from the Federal Open Market Committee's September meeting, released Wednesday. CNBC reports the meeting summary showed members feel the central bank has neared its economic goals and may soon begin tapering or normalizing policy by reducing the pace of its monthly asset purchases. The Fed would slowly cut down the $120 billion a month in bond buys. It would probably start by reducing $10 billion a month in treasuries and $5 billion a month in mortgage-backed securities, indicating a general belief that a gradual tapering process to conclude around mid-2022 would be appropriate. The summary said, quote, "Participants noted that if a decision to begin tapering purchases occurred at the next meeting, the process of tapering could commence with the monthly purchase calendars beginning in either mid-November or mid-December. The Fed next meets on November 2nd, and the discussion comes amid inflation concerns." According to MarketWatch, several Fed officials said they prefer to proceed with tapering at a faster pace. Others worry the process may result in a negative market reaction. The minutes showed that Fed staff raised their near-term forecast for inflation, but maintained that this year's rise would be transitory. However, some officials predicted inflation to remain elevated next year, with risks of it going even higher. In the dot plot of individual members' expectations for interest rates, the committee indicated interest rates could be raised as soon as 2022. Policymakers were split evenly between those who wanted at least one rate increase and those who preferred to hold rates steady. Officials stressed, though, that tapering does not imply pending interest rate hikes. Seong-woo, Arirang News.